You're struggling?
I'm struggling.
Yeah?
I think so, yes.
I like the way my belly would hang out. You know? Yeah?
So you, that's...
See about it? Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Adding to popular culture.
I'm a gentleman, I'll settle man, I'll take you out and I'll settle them, but you take me home with your friends, I meet your family, you meet my closest brother.
I think
That goes well with your t-shirt.
I think it does go quite well, actually. What do you think, guys?
Yeah, I'm liking that. This collection. There you go. The brand. That brand. There you go.
This is advertisement.
You could wear that. You could rock that. You should rock that.
It's a bit tight.
I've just done a massive poo in that enclosure. I don't know if you can see that. You probably can't. Look, I've done an absolute log. And it's moves and everything. Flip, what was I eating?
This is living proof that dinosaurs were real.
size.
This is a real skull of a triceratops.
Actually, it's a bunny rabbit. Look, that's where his ears are.
Bunny rabbits with horns. Horny
bunnies. Like Playboy.
Hi there.
Don't even talk to me, okay?
How are you?
Flipping birds, eh?
Serious vlogging.
Sure. There you go.
Yeah.
Wait, that's totally just plastic. Oh my day, I'm feeling really
And
Yay.
I'm not going to go to the counters for cheese.
You're
What do you
150 for
think
cheese.
I'm made of?
150.
David's got some here, but Mr. Cheese. It's okay.
Let's just say.
Hannah says, I like David.
I don't really like Hannah.
He just says I don't really like you. Right. Yeah, I know. He's really nice. It's okay, Hannah. He's lovely. Am I your mother?
I hope not. Duck! Fucking told me to duck. I almost poo myself.
So on guard.
You magic trick vanish.
Okay.
Right. So I'm going to edit it. You click and then I'll edit it. You moving out. Okay. Yeah, and now you move. No, you're meant to be gone. I think that worked.
Just back from shopping. I don't know if you hear us over how loud Steph's engine is. The flipping like 40 or V12. So flipping loud. It's this new van we're in. I can't hear my own voice. There's a child in the boot because it's a new white transit. So flipping loud. Why is your engine so loud? I think I went deaf.
Just, we found a shop that has a bed for if you're just tired or anything. It's a bit of an awkward.
It's not the way I would lie.
But I mean, it does the job. I could get a good night's sleep. Yesterday, due to the huge success of our first video, with 23 viewings and 5 subscribers, we decided to set up a PO box.
With First Trust.
With First Trust, and
Progressive.
so if you want, like, we're quite into jam and marmalade.
Homemade jam.
Homemade
Please
jam.
send it.
Please send it. It'd be
And
well
yeah,
appreciated.
marmalade too.
Marmalade as well. Just
Yeah,
for
and croissants.
breakfast.
And any other pastry.
Any other pastries. Pastries are our fave.
Yeah.